Meet the latest member of the ACME family, the Tornado Luminaire, a multi-head fixture that redefines everything you thought about effects lighting. The fixture offers colluminated and sharp beams, ensuring your looks are as bright as they are dynamic. The Tornado's innovative design and appearance is powered by 5 120-watt RGB LEDs. And their outer rings are comprised of 120 0.5-watt RGB LEDs. The fixture provides versatile linear zoom from 3 to 30 degrees, with field angles from 4 to 35 degrees. Its pan and tilt movements create wide light coverage for dynamic lighting effects. The Tornado offers a quick and smooth zoom throughout its range for instant changes of beam angles, narrow to wide. With its IP66 protection rating, the Tornado is perfect for any indoor or outdoor application. The Tornado features an easy and quick interlocking system for joining multiple units horizontally. Illuminate your productions with the brilliance and dynamic looks of the ACME Tornado to expand your creativity. ACME, the brightest choice.